Okay, I'm going to build a dragster, CO2 dragster car. Just did the outline here, what my style is going to be. It's going to be pretty wicked. It's going to be one like from one I made like when I was in high school. So I've done the outline, and actually I should be using a balsa wood, but it's all I got right now, so I'm going to practice on this and maybe go to Rona and get a piece of balsa wood tomorrow.
Great advice from one of the all-time great delayed things, which gave us an opportunity to talk about that team 50 years ago. And I'll tell you what, there was a 12-year-old in Brampton that couldn't watch the Argos or Ticats because of blackouts, and boy, I hung on every pass that Russ Jackson threw.
I'm a little younger. I don't necessarily remember these guys as players, but certainly as a guy who grew up in the CFL, I recognize a whole lot of those names. Great teams.
And an interesting connection for Luke Campbell to that 69 team. Here's a quarterback draw, and Manziel with a deep first slide for a first down. Nice response here by the Alouettes after the touchdown. But we mentioned Rick Campbell, whose dad, Hugh, helped the Saskatchewan Roughriders beat Ottawa in 66, but they were on the losing end in 69. How about these legends like Ronnie Lancaster, George Reed, and here comes a catch from Hugh Campbell, playing in his final game in the Canadian Football League, just like Russ, two of the all-time greats.